From the MultiGP headquarters, this is MultiGP News.
Welcome to MultiGP News. Pilots in the Northeast prepare for the big race as only 1 week remains until the final showdown. Plus, catch all the racing action as it happens in 4-1-hour live stream broadcast for Regional Final number 3 coming up. Then, Week 14 of regional qualifiers close out in the Northeast, Northwest, and North Central regions. Stick around for those results. Also, we have details on our next wildcard event, including live stream broadcast of Flight Fest Ohio. The I.O. Pilot Manual is out, an opportunity for a few good pilots to co-host the MultiGP live stream of the 2018 MultiGP International Open, and more details on fun things planned for I.O. Plus, you are invited to join us for the next live stream debate as we discuss a trending topic in drone racing, spec class. All this on MultiGP News. In less than 2 weeks, on July 21st and 22nd, pilots will join forces and push themselves to the limit for the win at the spectacular Loretta Winery in New Egypt, New Jersey. The permanent drone race facility was developed by the hard-working Tier 1 MultiGP chapter Safety Third Racing. The Northeast Regional Final takes flight during Red, White, and Blue and Bacon 2 Food Truck Festival, so bring the whole family and a big appetite. Northeast pilots, get ready for the regional final, and other pilots, you are invited to purchase a standby ticket to race with the fastest in your region. The MultiGP live stream of the top 32 at the Northeast Regional Final will hit the World Wide Web at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday, July 22nd. A separate broadcast of practice rounds and qualifiers will be made available for family and friends of competing pilots on Saturday, July 21st at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Feel the intensity of the race and find out which pilots come out on top right from the comfort of your own home. That's Sunday, July 22nd at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for the top 32 Battle Down. Week 14 wrapped up with the regional qualifiers in the Northeast, North Central, and Northwest regions. A big shout out to MI Detroit Drone User Group, NY Rotor Stars, Die Hard RC, and Northwest FPV for hosting those races. In the Northwest, pilots brought their A-game to the field as they set some fast times in their region. Here are the top 12 from Saturday's qualifier in Washington State. Jordan Jet Temkin coming in first with 21 laps in 6 minutes and 54 seconds. The one and only Brody Robogenesis Springer, winner of this year's Swatch DRL tryouts, also competing in the MultiGP Regional Series this year, and he is bringing it on. Robo taking second with 20 laps in 6 minutes and 29 seconds. And Cody taking third with 19 laps in 6 minutes and 19 seconds. Sunday, the qualifiers took flight in Portland, Oregon. Here are the top 12 for that race. Sparky MJ moving up and taking second with 19 laps in 6 minutes and 31 seconds. Here are the overall qualifier standings in the North Central and Northeast regions. For a full list of standings, visit our website at multigp.com. Here are the next regional qualifiers on the schedule. Flight Fest Ohio is Flight Fest's flagship event. MultiGP will be there this weekend to host a wildcard race in the MultiGP Regional Series presented by the Academy of Model Aeronautics. Joe Scully and Chris Thomas are already there. Are you headed to Flight Fest Ohio? Check into the MultiGP YouTube page on Saturday for a little live streaming from a really laid-back event dedicated to flight. The Spec Debate is right around the corner. Join us Monday, July 16th at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time as we discuss drone racing in with spec class. Hear what our panel of pilots who know a few things about spec racing have to say about the popular topic. The debate gives you a chance to interact in our live chat discussion with pilots like Brian Brain Drain Morris, Zach Anoop Thayer, Seth Freakin' FPV Eakin, and last year's spec racing champ and International Open, Thomas Bitmata. That's Monday, July 16th at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on our MultiGP YouTube channel. See you there. We are getting closer and closer to the kickoff date to the largest FPV event to date, and we want to make sure you check out the cool tracks and activities we have set up for you. Pilots, listen up. First things first, the 2018 I/O Pilot Manual is out, and you'll want to use it as a guide and the go-to handbook to all your MultiGP International Open questions and concerns, from race formats to hotel accommodations and car rentals.
Overall, the event was pretty cool. We came here expecting the same thing as last year, which was already a pretty high bar, but we saw 8 race courses run pretty much flawlessly. Back-to-back packs all day, which is really good to see. As a sponsor, we got a pretty big exposure through being right next to the pilot tents. All the pilots came over, discussed their new gear and stuff like that, so it was really good for that. And yeah, just an awesome event overall.
This week, we dig into freestyle and team track at I/O. The freestyle track is sponsored by our wonderful friends at Emax, and it will blow your mind. Thursday morning, get the day started with a limbo at the freestyle track.
We had a chance to fly so much batteries that I had almost no quad on the second day.
On Friday at the freestyle track, let's play dipping balls. Then let's shoot the gap. The challenge is to shoot the targets by flying through different sized gaps. Smaller gaps earn more points. Also at the freestyle track will be my favorite, the Vertical Drag Race Cup. What a fun agenda. Check out the International Open calendar at multigp.com.
Hey guys, 32-Bits of Gil here. I'm here at MultiGP International Open. We just wrapped up and we had an amazing time. It was an entire week filled with FPV from the morning until the night, and then into the night.
Sponsored by Drone College, the team track will definitely be a busy flight line at the I/O. Teams will race in a 24-minute race and have 4 pilots and up to 3 support crew. Teams will fly as many laps as they can in the 24 minutes of the race. Everyone likes winning cash. Let's race and you win. Here's 1, 2, 3. First, visit multigp.com to find spec class parts to build from. Second, build your spec quad, tune it fast. Third, fly the spec race at the I/O. Be sure to participate for a chance to win big bucks. MultiGP is handing out purses, $5,000 for spec class, $10,000 between World Cup Track 1 and 2. Want to help host the 2018 MultiGP International Open livestream broadcast? MultiGP is looking for a few talented pilots to help co-host our ongoing and upgraded livestream during the 2018 MultiGP International Open. You may have seen Nurk help out. He was good. You can be too. Send us a note to volunteer for a fun time as co-host of the MultiGP International Open. Send your message to news@multigp.com. Do you fear missing out? Don't. The biggest FPV event on the planet. MultiGP invites you to Muncie, Indiana, the headquarters of the Academy of Model Aeronautics, for the 2018 MultiGP International Open. Visit multigp.com to purchase your tickets. That's it for this week's news. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to MultiGP News and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching. I'm Kalara Manade reporting for MultiGP News.
If you like this video, press the like button below, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in being showcased in the next episode of MultiGP News, please contact us at news@multigp.com.